Hey, Kellar Lawrence here. Are you ready for springtime? Great, because I just posted this month's Homeward Bound Real Estate News and I addressed the upcoming spring season along with the big check that we wrote thanks to so many of our wonderful clients. Please read all about it on our blog. Any feedback or comments are welcomed. And remember, your referrals help families in the area. We are on a mission to help Greenwood Community Home Repair, formerly known as Greenwood Area Habitat for Humanity. It's a new nonprofit organization that helps homeowners throughout Greenwood County improve and maintain their living conditions and thereby their overall quality of life. Greenwood Community Home Repair addresses the pressing issues of housing shortage and instability by repairing and improving existing homes throughout Greenwood County. And we believe that repairing homes is the key to restoring vibrant neighborhoods, economies, and communities. We do this by donating a portion of our income from the homes that we sell to them. The service provided by Greenwood Community Home Repair allows residents to remain safely in their homes and also ensures that the affordable housing that is currently available in neighborhoods is not lost due to a homeowner's inability to afford its maintenance. Greenwood Community Home Repair depends on donations to provide their leading edge work and keep families' housing repair costs to a minimum. So when you hear me say that your referrals help families, they really do. So who do you know that might be considering buying or selling a home that you could refer to our real estate team? Not only will they benefit from our award-winning service, but you can rest assured that we are also donating to a very worthy cause as well. It's easy to refer people to our team, your friends, families, neighbors, associates. Anyway, the way to do it is just give me a call, 864-942-8991. You can text me. You can pass on my number to them. Thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful day.